How to combine the PDF files into a single PDF file. This is what I'm going to show you in this video. I will be using the pro version of Acrobat Reader. If you don't have this software, then you can look for some other tutorial, but if you have this Adobe Acrobat Pro version, then open the Acrobat Reader and right on here you will see the option of combine files into PDF. Anyways, if you don't see this pop-up file, you can go to the create, and from here you can also click combine files into a single PDF, and you will in both the cases see this next screen where on the top left you will see add files. Go to the add files, browse all the PDF files which you want to combine, select all those files and click open. All those files will come here. You can rearrange them if you want to change the sequence of these files, and once you are done you can click combine files. By the way, you can move the files by selecting any one of them and then clicking move up or down from here, then click combine files. So it is going to combine all those files, and each in my case each of my file was 40 pages long, so now I have 160 pages. I want to delete this first page this book belongs to, so it is going to repeat after every 40 pages. So you can delete the pages. This option is also available, and the rearrangement of the pages is also there. So this page is going to, I think, come again at somewhere at 81. Here it is. We are going to delete this page, and from the pop-up menu you need to select from 80 to 80 and delete that. So in case you want to delete more than one pages, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Let me delete the last copy of this first page, which is here. Now overall we want 120 pages, so anything beyond 120 we don't want. So in case we want to delete the remaining pages, I'm just going to click on this any of the page, let's say 121, click on delete pages, and from here I can select the range. Let's say starting from 121, I can select the last page, that is in my case 157. I'm going to click OK, yes, and my file has been reduced to 120 pages. So that's how you can combine the PDF files into a single PDF file. Thanks for watching.